Hello, good evening everybody. This is the chapter 2 of my video showing about uh, the rural countryside Cambodia. This season they have harvesting the rice field. Yeah, this is the picture the video that I show you. This is the pool, the pool they catching the fish. Yeah. You see, and the how the countryside. This is the how Cambodia. Okay, you see. You see the sound. Hear the sound. The sound and the machine. I will show you more detail about the video. Machine make the water inside the ground and to put into the field, the rice field. Okay, let's go together, my friend. Okay. My video. Sorry about some action. Let's see. Wow. Okay. You see there? Yeah. I zoom it. This is machine. Because we don't have the canal, and so people there they made the machine like you guys see in the video. Yeah. Okay. Wow. Let's go together. Oh, see, this is the one shot video. Okay, one shot video, no original video. Okay. I will show you guys see the lifestyle in Cambodia. See the machine there. Okay, my friend. Yes, something like this. Look like that. Okay, my friend. You see this? Okay, and then my friend, you see this. Wow. A machine like that, my friend. Wow. Yeah. Have the gasoline inside there and start machine there and water push outside. And yeah, see? Okay. A lot of machine there. One field, one machine. Okay. Palm tree, so tall, so high. It's a symbol of Cambodia. Shoo. Okay, good night, my friend. Goodbye. See you.